Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have a to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 5 minus 1. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. But here you remember one thing is that a calculator is not allowed in this problem. It means that we will show all of the working on this paper. Okay, I hope so. In this question I can just introduce a nice or smart methods in which you can multiply the very bigger numbers. So here, in order to solve this type of algebraic expression, first we need to find the value of a to the power of 5, which is lies on both of the sides, numerator and as well as denominator. So here in our first target is to find the value of 8 to the power of 5, and now here we can just rewrite this 8 to the power of 5 as in this form. So a to the power of 5 is equals to 8 to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 1, and here we can just apply the nice exponent laws. So here, according to this exponent law, if you have a to the power of m plus n plus p is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of p. So according to this exponent law, here we need to break all of these exponents, and when you break these exponents, it will be written as 8 to the power of 5 is equals to 8 square multiplied by 8 square multiplied by 8. So here we know that 8 square is equals to 64, and this 8 square is also equals to 64, and this is our 8. So here first we need to multiply these two bigger numbers, and at the last we can multiply the resulting answer with this 8. And now here we need to break this 64. So we write this 64 as 60 plus 4, and it is multiplied by 8. And now here in the next step, here we need to multiply the 64 with these two numbers, and it will be written as 64 multiplied by 60 plus 64 multiplied by 4, and at the last we multiply our resulting answer with this 8. So here further in the next step, our first claim is to multiply these two bigger numbers, and here I can introduce a nice or smart method of multiplication. So here first we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit numbers. So when you multiply 0 with this number, you will get here 0. When we multiply 6 with this number, you get here 6 4s are 24. Now we write 4 and carry 2, 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 becomes here 38. And now here we need to multiply 4 with this number, and you see here 4 4s are 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 becomes here 25, and at the resulting answer is multiplied by 8. So now here in the next step we need to sum up these two values, and you see here this is 0 plus 6 becomes here 6, and 4 plus 5 becomes here 9, and 8 plus 2 becomes here 10. We write 0 and carry 1. So this 3 plus 1 becomes here 4. So this is our resulting answer, and now here we need to multiply this bigger number with 8. So here I hope so you like this method of multiplication, and now here according to this same method we can multiply 8 with this greater number. And you see here 8 6 are 48. We write 8 and carry 4, and here you see that 8 and 9s are 72. 72 plus 4 becomes 76. We write 6 and carry 7. 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 7 becomes 7, and 8 4s are 32. So here finally we get 8 to the power of 5 is equals to 32,768. And now here we move backward and we put this value of 8 to the power of 5 on upside as well as downside. So here our given question statement is implies that here we have 8 to the power of 5 divided by 8 to the power of 5 minus 1 is equals to, here we put this value of 8 to the power of 5 here, it will be written as 32,768 divided by 32,768 and minus 1. So here in the next step we need to break our numerator side, and we write it as 32,767 plus 1, and it is divided by, when we subtract these two values, it will be written as 32,767. So here we need to break this fraction, and we can write this fraction separately on both of these values. And after breaking this fraction, it will be written as 32,600 and 767 divided by 32,767 plus, here we have 1 divided by 32,767. So here we need some simplification. So now you see here, this term is cancelled out by this term, and we will get here 1 plus this is 1 divided by 32,767. And now here in the next step we write these two terms into the combination form, and we write it as we write these three numbers as 1 whole 1 over 32,767, and in the left hand side we have the given question statement is that 8 to the power of 5 divided by 8 to the power of 5 minus 1. So here the final simplified form of the given question statement is right here. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.